Today in the studio, I'm going to be doing several glitter ornaments. I also want to do all of the orders that I have. And I have a lot of orders and they keep coming in, which I am so excited for. I'm excited to make all these orders. So I'm planning on making them all today, which is great. And then I have to edit and post the studio vlog and continue working on the Etsy page. I started working on the Etsy page and doing an overhaul and revamp of my Etsy page, but I actually need to brainstorm more of what I want to do for that page. I like to uncap all of the ornaments first, just makes it a lot easier to pour and know exactly what I'm doing and how many I have. Now I'm gonna fill each and every one with a little bit of polyacrylic so that the glitter stays inside the ornament. I'm making sure that the polyacrylic coats every single surface inside of the ornament because I don't want there to be a space where it's missing glitter. I just set the ornament aside so it can drain all of the polyacrylic. I'm going to wait at least 30 minutes to apply the glitter because the polyacrylic is still very wet, so I want it to dry a little bit. Okay, so 30 minutes have passed and I can see that most of them are drained already. What I'm gonna do now is I am going to get my glitters and I am going to get my funnel that I made out of paper cardstock, and I will start filling all of these with glitter right now. And the glitter adheres perfectly to the ornament inside, so there's no mess. These ornaments are completed and all I have to do is wait for them to dry for at least 1 hour and I can start putting the decals on them immediately. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take some alcohol wipes and wipe them all with alcohol, and then I'm gonna put the decals on them.